So hello everyone, in this video we are going to start with another series of strings. So we are continuing our level 1 DSA series starting from strings, and in this video we will just be discussing about some basics of string, some syntax, how to declare, how to use string. Okay, so that's all in this video. So it's going to be more of a introductory video, and let's see how much we can demonstrate through this video. So strings, so first point to remember is that strings ideally so ideally strings are nothing but character arrays. Character array. Strings are nothing but character array. So this is the first and most basic point as far as string is concerned. Now let's see a very demo type of code for it. So how we used to declare integer array, in a similar way we will declare a character array. So char string1 is equal to new char of 10. So what will this do? This particular statement will declare a string called as str1 of length 10. That's it. Now let's take a character called as ch and initialize it to a, let's say, and then what? For int I is equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus plus then what? str1 of I is equal to ch and ch plus plus. So what will this particular for loop do? This particular for loop will initialize character a, b, c, d and so on, and fill this character array str1 with these characters a, b, c, d and so on. And let's just now print this as well. So for char, so let's use a basic for each loop, char x in str1. So s out x plus this. So and let's just do this in the same line. Okay, and then after this an empty s out to shift to the next line. Perfect. So str1, is this str1? Okay, sorry. So now I think it's perfect. Let's just try to run this. Okay, so see these characters a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j. So these particular characters are stored in this character array, and we just took it as like ABCD. We just filled the character array with ABCD, F, G, H, I, J, and then using a for each loop we printed it. So this is one of the way. Okay, so this is one of the way for what we could say. This is one of the way for working with strings in Java. So let's just say strings in Java. So there are two particular categories in this. One is like using character array, which we saw just now, and one is using string class, and this is something which is built in, okay. So see, whatever we have discussed in arrays till now, same could be done using character arrays for string. But as far as Java is concerned, we are very much interested in discussing this string class, and how to use this built-in string class. Okay, and how to use this built-in string class. Okay, so basically, so how to handle strings using string class, this particularly we will now see, and let's just try to demonstrate that as well. Okay, so using string class, so syntax is string string s capital, string name, suppose str2 is equal to new string, suppose my name, okay, path, and perfect. So this is one of the way of declaring strings in Java. Okay, what we did initially was char array str1 is equal to new char of 10. Okay, so what's the difference between this str1 and str2? Number one difference, this str1 is of type character array, where this str2 is of type string from built-in class. Secondly, str1, okay, str1 is name of a variable. However, str2 is name of a object, because we are using this string class. Okay, we are using this string class, and str2 is basically name of the object of that string class. Okay, so this is the most important point we have to remember. Okay, so using this str2, which is object of the string class, we can further call many functions. Okay, so that's why I am saying, remember, this str2 is the object of string class. Okay, this is the most important point to remember. Then another way to declare a string is string str3 is equal to, suppose, PVB-GEEK. Okay, so if I say something like this, so in this way also we can initialize a string in Java. So one way is using new string and like this, and inside this string constructor we pass our string. However, another way is just string str3, create the name of object, and directly pass on the contents. This is also a way to do this. Now, how to print? So simply, if I put sout str2 and sout str3, so this is also how we can do it. So see, so strings have been printed correctly. Now, what if I wish to take a string as an input from user? So of course, let's first import scanner, import java dot util dot scanner. This is one of the way. This is the how we import scanner library. And what, let's just define a scanner as well. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, new scanner system dot in, and sout enter a string, then string str4 is equal to sc dot next line. So as next line is the function which we particularly use to take a string from as a user input. Okay, so remember the way we used to take input for an integer. So sc dot next int we used to do. For a float we used to write sc dot next float, right? And what was sc? Sc was the object of scanner class, correct? So similarly next line is the function to take string as an input. So sout, let's just display this string as well. Entered string is and str4. Okay, let's just do, and to remove that warning, let's just do sc dot close as well. So sc dot close as well. So warning is removed. So let's just now try to run. Okay, so enter a string. Hello, welcome to PVB. Welcome to PVB-GEEK. So if this is the string I wish to enter, then enter string is hello, welcome to PVB-GEEK. So that's how we define strings in Java using string class. I have also demonstrated how we can play with strings using character arrays, but then that is something which is not that extensively used while solving problems, particularly in Java. So that's why, so majorly we use strings class, and that's all for this video. All we have discussed is what is the syntax of declaration, how we take user input for a string using next line function, and how we display it. That's it. So thank you for watching till end, and if you think I have made any significant contribution to your logic building, please do consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.